Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, blessed. My day again, my people. Manners and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Yeah, so I'm going to present some videos to you that have been posted on social media. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a situation where at least two persons was moving unfriendly towards at least two persons. Well, in my point of view, it seems as if there was two persons who you can see in the video who were angry at least two persons. And in the video here, when a person said some words that also includes the word prank. You see, my very subscribers, I'm not sure what exactly happened, very subscribers, but I call a situation like this an unfriendly one, based on how we see at least two persons behaving towards two persons in this video. My people, take a look at the situation and tell what I think. Oh, and the viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Unfriendly. So I go on there, some people. Look, listen for yourself, look. My people, in my point of view, you know, my people, and everybody likes certain type of things, you know. So I say, but you see, because the audio is so clear, I think me hear certain things, but hold on there. Let me play back at least two parts of the video right there. So hold on there. Listen to that part. Tell me what you hear, some people. Tell me what you hear, sir. Where you hear this, sir? Huh? And listen to that part here. Listen to that part here. So maybe try. Try to say me hear this one. I think me hear, but I don't want to go jump to the conclusion and go say, you know me, because that's set away right there. So, but no, in my point of view, everybody likes certain type of things, you know, and me hear prank mention in the video and so forth. So me, if so be the case, then wow, you know what I mean? But anyways, let me know what you think about that situation. Do you think that those persons was behaving too aggressive towards those other persons or what? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. See you? In the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, I can see a person holding a device and the person was saying certain words. I mean, at one point the person even stutter. I listen to some words that the person said in the video and I start to think different things. I wonder where I go on. My people, look and listen to this video for yourself. Tell me what you think this person was trying to do, my people. Because, on a real, if what this person was doing is what I think the person was doing, then that was wrong. But the stutter, observe with me.
Me know chop him. Listen one talk. You know, sir, how are you doing today? You have won a prize from digital company, you know, and sir, you have to pay your fee of $150 US. How are you doing?
I social media, Mr. Video there. I also saw another video that shows the same person holding the same device, and I could see something that was going on the screen of the device. Me just make that be clear. I know me, I wonder what a person did that do, because if that person was doing what I think the person was doing, then in my point of view, that's wrong. Chop. People, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. You have some sample out there. Alright, so in the next video that I'm going to present to you, you can see damaged clothes and shoes of viewers and subscribers. It makes me wonder how them things that get damaged. You know what I mean? I wonder how those things got damaged. Anyway, so when I listen to the audio of the video, I hear cuttup mentioned in the audio of the video, which make me start to wonder all different type of things. As I say, maybe I wonder what was this video really about, like what really and truly the situation was about. Why them things that had been damaged. My people, look at the video for yourself. You let me know what you think, because this set away, my people. Observe.
I never know my tool was so nice. I would have never ever twice. I never know my tool was so good. I would have never pushed it more.
Because that's a drastic movement.
I never know my tool was so good. I would have never put it more. I never know my tool was so nice. I would have never ever make you ride it. Them girl in here ain't to leave man with Benwood. You never ever hear leave man with Benwood. I go make your mind hurt. Leave man with Benwood. Oh Lord God. She did it all here. She wrecked the ship. She cut up every thing. All it done is just cut up thing all over. Anywhere you go, it's just cut up thing. She just cut up the place. She cut up this one. She cut the lace in.
My people, what do you think about a situation like that? Leave a comment in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a person said some words that also includes the words police, in, rain, and other words as well. I wanted to look and listen to the video and tell me what I think about this video or certain things that I can see happening in the video. But I want to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, that I am not able to confirm if some words that a person said in the video are accurate pertaining to certain things that I can see happening in the video. I am not able to confirm if the words that the person said in the video are true pertaining to certain things that I can see happening in the video. But look and listen to the video and tell me what I think. Observe with me.
One of the police shelter in the rain. Watch this, of the police in the rain. Getting a ticket, eh? Watch. In the rain, eh? You see that? All they do make the illegal turn. All they know, all they're supposed to drive there. Don't drive there. It's 2 to 4 school hours. Don't swing in because you feel the rain falling. And you go in and get a ticket
Well, my people, if the words that the person said in the video are accurate, and if the words that the person said in the video are true, pertaining to certain things that I saw happen in the video, then all I can say is the law is the law. That is if those words are accurate. You see me? I say, I am true. But yes, I'm not if it's still my people. So big up and respect to each and everyone, and stay safe, walk good. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.